Subscribe and hit like before diving into the mystery. The Mariana Trench is one of the most mysterious and unexplored places on Earth. Hidden deep beneath the surface of the western Pacific Ocean, this enormous underwater canyon stretches for about 2,550 kilometers, 1,580 miles, and reaches unimaginable depths. At its lowest point, known as the Challenger Deep, the trench plunges nearly 11,000 meters, around 36,000 feet, below sea level. If Mount Everest were placed inside it, the peak would still remain more than a mile underwater. Down there, sunlight never reaches. The environment is in complete darkness, with temperatures just above freezing and pressure more than 1,000 times stronger than at sea level, enough to crush most submarines instantly. Despite these extreme conditions, life somehow survives. Scientists have discovered strange and fascinating creatures adapted to this harsh world, including transparent fish, giant single-celled organisms, and shrimp-like crustaceans. Among them is the mysterious Mariana snailfish, a delicate-looking species specially evolved to endure crushing pressure. Human exploration of the trench has been extremely rare. In 1960, Jacques Picard and Don Walsh made the first successful descent to the deepest part. More than 50 years later, in 2012, filmmaker James Cameron completed a solo dive to Challenger Deep, revealing new images and data from the abyss. Even so, vast regions of the trench remain completely unexplored. What makes the Mariana Trench so mysterious is not only its depth, but also how little we truly understand about it. Scientists believe studying this extreme environment could reveal insights about the limits of life on Earth, deep-sea ecosystems, tectonic activity, and even the possibility of life on other planets. The Mariana Trench stands as the ocean's final frontier, a silent, dark world filled with secrets that humanity has only just begun to uncover.